Evening. It's Friday evening again, and here we are with Data Science Free Internship by 360DigiTMG. Let me start this session by congratulating you. Now, you must be thinking, congratulating you for what? Congratulating you for the fact that you have chosen to upskill yourself. Upskilling is not that easy. People give up when they upskill, but you have chosen to upskill yourself. And that's the reason you deserve congratulations. Now, you must be thinking what this particular session is all about. This session is about free internship from 360 DigiTMG on data science and data analytics. Now, why do we need such session? Of course, this is 360 DigiTMG's contribution to the data community. Now, coming to this question that why do we need such session? Basically, you must have studied data science or data analytics as part of your college time. You might be in second year, third year, final year, or you might be a working professional. You might have actually studied all these things, probably in your institute or wherever. Now, what happens is when we talk about real world, the practical world, right? There's a lot of difference between theoretical and practical. Now, to bridge this gap, we have this particular internship. We make sure that you learn a lot from this internship. Let's talk about this internship further. Excuse me. Now, talking about this data analytics and crystallography internship, there will be two phases. Now, the first phase is learning phase. Here we have Python, we have SQL, and we have data preliminaries. Now you must be thinking, okay, we already know why this phase then. Basically, you will do one thing, you will fill the Google form, you will get LMSSS, and you will go through these videos. Why is it needed? To make sure that you're ready with these concepts when the second phase starts. So, again, how do you get these things, access to these courses or to the learning phase? There will be a Google form that will be posted in a community that you're part of. Now, once you fill that Google form, our backend team will contact you, right? Or in fact, they'll contact you and they'll give you LMSSS, right? Learning Management System SS. Now, you must be thinking what it looks like. Now, LMS looks something like this. The Learning Management System looks something like this. You'll get 3 videos daily. You have to go through those videos and click on the assessment link. Now, what happens when you click on assessment link? Once you click on assessment link, you will be redirected to the 360 DTMG's LinkedIn page. Now, there we have daily assessment, right? And those are subjective questions. And you have to answer those subjective questions in the comment section. Now, the question is, why these are subjective questions? Basically, to make sure that you write something. Now, when you're writing something, you're making sure that you are visible to those recruiters who are actively searching for new people, right? That's a win-win for both, for you and the recruiter. Now, once you complete this phase, the learning phase, you will be again redirected to the second part or to the second phase. We call it project phase, right? In this project phase, what we will be doing? We'll be assigning an expert data scientist who has rich experience of working on real world projects, and they will guide you throughout the project. Along with data science, you'll learn one very important skill here. What is that skill? Well, that's time management. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes from Monday to Friday, and to discuss what is done, what must be done for next day. Is there any risk or challenge that you're facing? But yes, that will be strictly for 15 minutes. And yes, you'll learn the importance of time management there. You'll learn time management, how to manage all those things there in 15 minutes. Right. Now, we shall be discussing about this when we reach this phase. Once this phase is over, of course, we will consider that your project is successfully completed. So upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded an internship project certificate from 360DigiTMG. Now, this internship project certificate will look something like this. You'll have your name, your project name, everything. Of course, when we talk about this particular program, this is a free program, and so certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. Talking about this program will start from Monday, 18th November 2024. You can fill the Google form till Sunday evening 5 p.m. Make sure that you actually fill the Google form and start this particular project. Now, there are some frequently asked questions for this internship program. First, completion of learning phase. Now, participants must complete all learning modules before moving to the next task. Please reach out for support if needed to interns1@360digitmg.com. Now, talking about data science internship, currently only data analytics internship are available. Unfortunately, we don't have data science internship available as of now. So, of course, you can learn data analytics here. You can take data analytics internship from here. Talking about LMS credentials issuance, we expect patience. We appreciate patience during this phase because LMS credentials may take up to 24 working hours to be issued. Right. So, yes, patience is greatly appreciated during this process. Talking about internship continuation in case of emergency. Yes, in case of emergency, if you are unable to complete internship due to work commitments or maybe personal emergencies, please mail us. Mail us at interns1@360dtmg.com. Right. You need to include any relevant documentation or proof, and you will be assigned an upcoming internship. Don't worry about that. We will be assigning you that for sure. Talking about this internship certificate policy, this internship certificates will be issued only upon successful completion of all required document. Right. Failure to meet project submission deadlines will result in ineligibility for a certificate, and delays in project submissions are not permitted. If a deadline is missed, interns will need to join the next project batch and complete it within the specified deadline to qualify for certificate. Yes, we are very, very clear about this. We know our projects are really, really good. So, yes, we are very strict when it comes to deadlines. Now, you must be thinking, what else can we help you in? So, let me take you to our website first. When you come to our website, you will see here, of course, you can see our website completely. You can see our success stories. Our alumni work at these big, big companies. Now, we'll go to learning resources page. Now, this is a really game changer. Of course, you can be part of micro learning burst every single day. And you can see here, we have digital learning library where you can dive into learning. Of course, this is online book or digital book, I should say, for data science and data analytics, right? You can read this book, you can refer to these books, and yes, you'll learn a lot from here. AI Design Studio for ML, again, you will be designing a project architecture during your project phase. So again, ultimately, right from data sources to the end user device, you'll have this particular architecture. This is for beginner, for someone with intermediate knowledge, and for someone with advanced knowledge. Now, think of it. You are a beginner, but you have a clear idea on how to make a project architecture, a complicated, advanced level architecture. Now, if your recruiter sees this, won't he be really, really impressed? He will be impressed, right? Exactly. So, yes, please come and use this. Now, let me take you the third part. Of course, we have data skill assessment. We have career advancement, and for career advancement and professional growth, we have resume optimization hub. You can visit here and optimize your resume. We have talent connection portal where you can connect with employers. Right now, we have these jobs available. Right now, for conceptual understanding, insightful learning, this is learning path or learning map or mind map, we call it. Now, in this mind map, of course, you can read a lot from here. You can actually go to these mind maps and revise. This is really, really good for revising and, of course, internalization of concepts, right? It's very, very important. And of course, you'll be easily internalizing these concepts as well. Talking about innovative project showcase, of course, you can read about the projects that we do here, right? And if we talk about animated insight series, yes, you can see this insight series and actually learn a lot from here. Also, if we go to our YouTube channel, for example, let me go to a YouTube channel. This is, of course, the playlist section. First, when you go to home, there are a lot of things in here. Of course, we have industry leaders talk, we have upcoming live stream placement success stories, right? All those things, international research article publication. Yes, our students get their paper published in international journal, right? Talking about playlist, here we have a lot of playlists here. We have resume building, we have Gen AI, different webinars. Again, you can learn Python. Again, there are different videos, right, related to domain analytics and whatnot. You can come here and use this space. Of course, it's YouTube, so of course it is free of cost. Now, let me just go back. Of course, you can use all these things. So let me just go back and revise what we are getting into. So this is a free internship program by 360D10G. It has two phases, phase one, phase two. Phase one is learning phase. Basically, you'll be getting 3 videos every single day related to Python, SQL, and data preliminaries. You have to see those videos and yes, go to the assessment, which will redirect you to the LinkedIn page. There you have to write, basically comment on the comment section, in the comment section, of course, and yes, you'll be good to go. Now, how to get this access, the learning management system access? You will need to fill the Google form that will be posted in the community you are part of. And yes, once you post it, once you fill that form, our LMS team or backend team will contact you and you will get LMS access. Right. Talking about the second phase, that is project phase, we shall design an expert. Of course, we'll be assigning an expert data scientist for this phase. There will be daily stand-up meetings for 15 minutes, right from Monday to Friday. And of course, we'll be discussing what is done, what must be done for next day, and any risk or challenges that you have. Of course, as we discussed, we shall be discussing this when we reach this phase. Talking about this program, upon completing the project successfully, you will be awarded this particular certificate or similar certificate. Of course, name and project name will differ. This is a free program and certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. Talking about this program, it will start from Monday, that is 18th November 2024. You can fill the Google form right till Sunday evening 5 p.m. Okay, team. So, what are you waiting for? Please fill the Google form and yes, start with your project. You will learn a lot here. There will be a plethora of learning, right? And yes, what you learn is what we apply in industry as per the standard, right? So don't worry, just fill the Google form and join this project. Till that time, when we'll meet again, this is it from my side, team. We'll meet again next week. Till that time, enjoy your weekend, rock your weekend, team. Take care. Bye.